So yesterday we finished the types of entrepreneurs, and today we studying the role of entrepreneurship in economic development. Okay. Now, we have already discussed about economic development. It is basically the development of the economy or the country, okay, which includes the financial development, the development of the society, etc. All right. Now, the entrepreneur is the key to the creation of new enterprises that energize the economy and rejuvenate the established enterprises that make up the economic structure. Entrepreneurs initiate and sustain the process of economic development in the following ways. Okay, this is very simple. We'll just go through it, and if you don't understand anything, please ask me. I will also explain while we are going through. First is capital formation. So, what does capital formation mean? Entrepreneurs mobilize the idle savings of the public through the issue of industrial securities. Investment of public savings in industry results in productive utilization of natural resources. Rate of capital formation increases, which is essential for rapid economic growth. Thus, an entrepreneur is the creator of wealth. So, capital formation is basically when we invest money in a business. Please switch off your mics, everyone. Okay, so when we invest money in a business, it helps us in multiplication of that money, in multiplication or growth of that. So when we talk about the rate of capital formation, it keeps on increasing with economic growth. As the economy grows, as the business in a country grows, so does the amount of capital or the rate of increase of capital. It also keeps on increasing or growing. Okay. Next is improvement in per capita income. These points we have already discussed when I think not in your class. This is similar to what we discussed in other class. That's what I am remembering. So improvement in per capita income. Now, per capita income means income per person or the average income of the country. Entrepreneurs locate and exploit opportunities. They convert the talent and idle resources like land, labor and capital into national income and wealth in the form of goods and services. They help to increase net national product and per capita income in the country. What is net national product? In class 12 you may have studied this, that net national product or NNP FC is also known as national income. Okay, so the national income of the country as well as the per capita income both increase in case of economic development. When the economy grows, we are talking about exploiting of opportunities, and the entrepreneurs convert idle resources, that is the factors of production. What are factors of production? Land, labor, capital and enterprise into formation of wealth, okay, or goods and services. Then per capita income of the country, which are important yardsticks for measuring economic growth. So when we talk about economic growth or national income or GDP, it is the same thing. Whenever we want to know the country's growth or the country's performance, we judge it by the way of, there has to be a medium to measure it, right? So the medium is national income or the GDP of the country. Okay, so it helps us determine what actually is the level of growth or level of development in the country. Then improvement in living standards. Entrepreneurs set up industries which remove scarcity of essential commodities and introduce new products. Okay, so entrepreneurs are known for removing scarcity, means removing the lack of these products. As we discussed, these entrepreneurs can also innovate by way of producing products which are already being produced in other countries but